All right, the next thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to insert, you guys probably all know how to do this already, so I'm going to kind of move pretty quickly. We're going to insert the actual site plan. And I guess you can kind of think of this like the architect gave you a preliminary plan, and us being on the civil engineering side of things, like now we're trying to make it like real and accurate. So, so I'm going to insert, and I always forget how to do this in Autocad because I don't use it anymore. I think we can just insert. Or can you not insert images? Attach. Let's see. Yeah, image files. Okay. So navigate to that location. I have it under. Whoa. Where's my folder? There it is. Oh, I didn't put it there, did I? Oh, it's not there. It's actually we could just drop it in straight from the location that I have on the drive. So if you go to the class folder, 147, 247, drawing sets, JPEG, and I think it was page 5. I have it open. Hang on. Yeah, page 5. Open. Don't worry so much about all this information. We're going to change the scale manually when we get it. So really when you drop it on screen, you can kind of approximate it and just say like, you know, something like that. That's what it's going to look like. I think we can change the draw order of these things to be in the back. So let's go to draw order, send to back, and it's going to put it behind our plan. Now, the important thing to know about AutoCAD image files is that they're really, really, really annoying to work with because the resolution is always really bad, and it's almost impossible to kind of see the crosshair in front of it. So I'm going to do a couple of things here in order to make it easier on us. First, I'm going to go to, I think it's under Options. Let's go to drafting, and let's go to colors. So I want to change the crosshair from white to like a gray. That way I'm going to be able to see it in front of the white sheet, and I'm going to be able to see it in front of the black background. So I'll just make it select color. I'll do just like a mid-gray. Something like that, and then hit apply and close. Okay, so now it's gray, so I can see it in front of the black thing and I can see it in front of the white thing. Okay, that's important. So anyway, what I'm going to do here is rescale it, and in case you guys need some sort of a refresher of how to rescale, the way that I do it is I try to scale it based off of the farthest point, and usually I do it with a linear point. So I'm going to go from something like this corner here on that grid. I'm going to place it on that corner, and it's actually not right. I want to move it more. Remember, the outside of the wall is the key part to get to the to get aligned. And then anyway, so remember that AutoCAD's scale feature is a referential scale. So I'm going to go to Scale. And I'm going to, oh, in case you missed it, I selected the image first. That's why it's got a blue outline when I'm pan. So I'm doing a referential scale. So I'm going to pick a base point, hit R for reference, pick the new base point, and then pick the reference distance, and then pick the new distance, which will be that. And so in theory, if you just kind of like scan around the exterior of your building, should fall pretty much exactly on where the exterior walls are, which for me I think is pretty close, and I'm comfortable with that. Okay, any questions so far? Okay, I'm going to cut the video here and then we'll move into actually drafting on this thing.